In the 1930s, New York City stood as a vibrant hub of culture, commerce, and contradiction. While the Great Depression cast a shadow over the nation's economy, the city's elite maintained their lavish lifestyles, seeking leisure and luxury amidst the challenges of the era. Golf clubs emerged as exclusive retreats where the wealthy indulged in recreation and socializing, offering a glimpse into the opulence of New York's high society. Despite the economic challenges of the era, the wealthy continued to enjoy a myriad of leisure activities. Golfing excursions to exclusive clubs provided an opportunity for relaxation and socializing, as well as a chance to showcase one's status and skill on the greens. Tennis matches, yacht outings, and elaborate dinner parties further enriched the leisurely pursuits of New York's elite.